Hi, this is Bonnie again with another can-do moment. Today I'll just make a brief video about my Tempest WeatherFlow weather station. Now, I've had it since Father's Day, and truth is it was mounted up on the chimney and you want it as high as you can get it, but I still had problems with wind direction and wind speed because air blowing up against the house and the nearby trees are messing with it. You really need to mount this thing on a pole in the middle of a field somewhere. But otherwise, it does pretty good. It gives me readings temperature very accurately. The amount of rain that we get is pretty good. I don't even have to empty a rain collector or anything. It has some kind of electronic system, and then it uses an algorithm to adjust based on other stations around and the weather service. And I find that it actually turns out to be pretty accurate as far as rainfall goes. But I had to move it from the chimney. I'm getting new siding on the house, so I put it on the end of my my deck here, and we'll see how that does. I like it. It has an app that you put on your phone. It also can load into your computer, and you get a more localized weather forecast, well, not forecast, but readings on temperature, rainfall, etc., than you would with the television station or weather station or something like that. Now, it's available, and you can follow our link on it. It makes a great Father's Day gift. I'm glad I got it. That's it.